Okay, here we have new from Sonnet. This is the R-1634 large display LED alarm clock radio with 2 USB charging ports. Now this clock has a 1-inch red LED time display, alarm and PM indicators, auxiliary in to directly connect your mobile devices to the clock and play your music through the clock speaker, AM and FM radio, programmable sleep timer, wake to alarm or radio, snooze function, and battery backup. This clock is all electric, as you can see. I like the fact it has the plug to play your devices. I have the Secretary's new i5 in gold here, and I want to plug it in to prove a point. There we go. Very convenient. Now, also on the back, right here, are the 2 USB charging ports. One is specifically designed for tablet, the other one to charge your smartphones or Androids or whatever you have. I'm going to plug in the wife's iPad right now. Boom. Charging, just like that. Let me turn this back around. Quality by Sonnet.